Hi guys, welcome back to Melanesa Digital Review with me Ray, and in today's video we are going to discuss a monochrome printers. For a small office or work group that require a lot of paper printing activity, a monochrome printer could be the right choice for you, especially if you are printing only white and black documents. This is because a monochrome printers only print black and white. That's why they call it monochrome, right? And product that we want to review today in this video is Brother DCP L2540DW. I put a link down on the description, so if you are interested, you can check for the price and availability. And if there is a special deals or discount, I'll put there as well. Now, without a further ado, let's take a look at the unboxing process. So, this is the Brother DCP L2540DW. Now, I'm going to open this with this. Okay, I was thinking this was small, but turns out it's really big. And as you can see, the weight is almost around 14.3 kilograms. Now, yeah. So out of the box, this is your warranty card. Brother gives 3 years warranty, remember that, and a lifetime phone support if you own Brother's product. They're really cool. Okay, this is what you get. There's a lot of things here, but the first thing is this. This is USB to the printer's cable. There is a manual guides like that. This is the books. Okay, whenever you buy an electronic, it's really important you check all the paper. Okay, so this is a driver, and here is the safety guide. Another paper that anything you need to know about using this printer. So still curious, what else inside this? Okay. Oh, this is the cartridge. This is the high yield cartridge. Oh, I think it's a foot. Okay, finally it's out of the box. So the cable power, it's already built in. So yeah, okay, Patrick, can you help me? Okay, now it's completely out of the box. So this is all what you get. I'm going to put this here. Remember, you need to keep all things safe and make sure everything is in there, because the driver for this printer is also included. And if you don't have, you can go and download from Brother's official website. Okay, now we will take a look at the design. As for someone like me, I really want to see design really good. So the Brother DCP 2540DW, I think it's really built nicely. I mean, you guys can see the design. It's maybe a little bit taller than Epson or Canon printers or other products out there. This is for a mid-size office or work group, so it's really understandable, and I love the design. I mean, you guys can see it, how they built this, and yeah, we can see the design from the front, the top front. There's a control panel with buttons and small screen. Yeah, it's really nice to see. On the back there is a port, USB, and then LAN port. Yeah, and this is for when you want to copying or fax or any documents that you want to unattended, means you can put it here, you can plan to schedule to printing or fax or anything like that. Now in front here, you will get like, I think, should we put this off or maybe later? We just try to highlight. So here's the paper tray, and the paper tray, this can take up to 250 paper, A4 letter size. Okay, this is where you copying your documents, scan or anything like that. It's a little bit scare me. I thought it was going to drop. Now you can see okay, it has a magnet. Yeah, we're going to open this too. I'm honestly didn't really familiar yet with this. Oh, now I know. So now I know, yeah. This is where the cartridges are. So if you want to change the add the cartridge for the first time, you need to remove this first. And then it says that we can simply pull this, take it outside completely. So I'm going to, oh my god, I'm hoping I didn't broke that. I put it here, then we will need to open the cartridge. Okay, and this is the high yield TN2356. Ooh, it's look cool. It has Brother words, logo, things like that, and you will need to remove this. So I will explain about this later on, but yeah, I think oh, this is really cool. And then you need to put it this way. Ouch, please God. Just like that. Just like that. It's really simple. I also, at first I think it's hard, but it's not. Okay, there's some sort of liquid. I'm hoping I didn't broke this. Once it's there, put it back. Ta-dang. Okay. This is the Brother printer DCP L2540DW. Now let's try to add paper into the paper tray. What you need is just pull this backward. Where's my paper? Here I have so everything you can just take it outside completely like this. You don't have to like half and half. So this is basically there's a paper size A4, A6, A5, B5, and then you can expand this. I mean, for F4 it needs a longer place, so what you need is you pull this button and then just move this backward, like that. Then I can now put my F4 letter paper size here. Now once it's done, then you move this to lock the paper like that. Everything done, you move it back here. That's how you add the paper into paper tray. So guys, this is the Brother DCP L2540DW printers, and you guys already see at a price point around $250 to $450. This printer is well built and compact. Although it might be a little taller than Epson or other printers product out there, still with a design like this, it's definitely something I love to see on my office space. As for the performance, these printers or Brothers claim to print 30 pages per minute. It also already supports automatic two-side printing to help you save paper. 35-page capacity for auto document feeder for fast copying, scanning, faxing. And this printer can print 2 times more than ordinary printer. I mean, with a high yield toner cartridge, you can get up to 2,600 pages before you run out of ink. But of course, this high yield cartridge is sold separately, and fortunately this one already have it. And since this is a laser jet printer, the text in the paper won't be blurred fast if the paper soaks or falls into water. But it doesn't mean it's an IP68 rated things and you need to keep water or any liquid material away from your documents. Speaking about the cartridge and toner, this printer uses powder ink and not liquid like most printer. So take that as a note when you want to use this printer. The toner cartridge compatible with this printer is TN2306, TN2356 and DR2306. Now the next thing is we are going to talk about connectivity, and I think one of the advantage of this printer already is because it supports wireless connectivity. So you can print using your mobile devices like laptop, tablet or Android from anywhere. So as long as this connect to your Wi-Fi, or yeah, you can do it. But I do want to remind you guys that setting a printer for online printing wasn't just easy. So we will get to you about how to use this printer on our other videos. You can see on the left right. The Brother give 3 years warranty, depend on your region, for this printer, and a lifetime call support for you if you own any Brother products. That's a really awesome quality guarantee. So guys, that is all for today, and a little bit of highlights of the Brother DCP L2540DW and the unboxing. If you guys find this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you won't miss any new video we upload every day. If you have any comment or any testimonial about this printer, you can write them down on the comment section below. So stay safe guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.